Step-by-step how to get a HACCP certification. Step 1. Identify your food certification body and HACCP requirements. If you are interested in getting your business certified under the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point (HACCP) program, it is important to do your research. There are a lot of food certification bodies out there, so it's important to do some upfront detective work. You should identify the requirements of the certification body you choose and ensure that their audit procedures align with your company's safety goals. Step 2. Establish a food safety program. You must develop a strong HACCP program to ensure that your food facility complies with all applicable food safety regulations. This includes procedures and guidelines for all your processes, from receiving to shipping. Step 3. Implement HACCP procedures. A HACCP plan development and following the CCP alone would not make your process and food safe. You must ensure that the HACCP plan's fundamentals are properly laid out. Here is a list of HACCP prerequisite programs: Building Program, Water Management Program, Waste Management Program, Receiving and Shipping Programs, Storage Program, Chemical Management Program, Supplier Approval Program, Employee Hygiene Program, Employee Training Program, Maintenance Program, Calibration Program, Cleaning and Sanitation Program, Pest Control Program, Allergen Management Program, Foreign Material Management Program, and many more. You can also obtain a copy of our expert-written HACCP templates and save thousands of dollars in time to start your program so you can focus on the implementation here. Step 5. Monitor and verify HACCP and food safety compliance. To achieve HACCP certification, it's important to ensure that your food safety procedures are followed correctly. However, there are some key steps that you can take to ensure that you are meeting your HACCP certification requirements. Establish a strategy for how often you'll review the system and whether or not corrective action needs to be taken. 2. Create timelines for conducting reviews. 3. Identify who will perform inspections. 4. Train employees for implementation. 5. Keep records of all inspections performed. Step 5. Perform an internal audit to find the gap in your HACCP program. An internal audit is a self-audit where you review your program against the requirements. An internal audit will provide an overview of your distance from your HACCP certification requirements and allow you to correct issues before the audit. Our HACCP certification package includes a quick internal audit or gap assessment so that our clients can rest assured that they will be ready for their upcoming audit. Step 6. HACCP certification audit. After taking the necessary steps to establish a food safety program, it is time to audit your program for compliance. When you are well prepared with the HACCP plan and procedures implementation, trained personnel and have our internal audit support, you don't have to worry about your audit. HACCP certification step-by-step assistant. Our SFPM Consultant team helps our clients step-by-step on how to get a HACCP certification and provides audit support so you know exactly what to expect and What to do to maintain your certification. Contact us at info@sfpmconsulting.com to start your project and obtain your procedures in less than 4 weeks, guaranteed.